So for number 14, oh, where'd you go? Come back here. So for number 14, solve the equation from 0 to 2 pi. Use the exact value whenever possible. I'll give it approximate to 4 decimal places. So this one is saying, all right, cosine of a double angle is -1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to know how many solutions I'm looking for. So I'm going to plug into my calculator, cosine 2x, the left side of the equation, and -1, the right side of the equation. My window is going to be from 0 to 2 pi because it says 0 to 2 pi for the x min and x max. Scale, I'm just using pi over 2, but you can use whatever you want. My lowest y value -2 and my highest y value 2 because remember I want to know when this is going to equal a -1, so I have to encompass that at least, right? So when you hit graph then you should see this. Remember you have to be in radian mode to graph it. So check it out. I'm looking for I'm looking for two solutions to this equation on this interval 0 to 2 pi. That's good information to know right off the bat. So I'll put that down there. Okay, now we want to know the two solutions we're looking for. So now we're looking for two solutions because we found that on our calculator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let theta equal 2x. Then I have this. Cosine of theta is equal to -1. Well, where on the unit circle is the cosine of theta equal to -1? It only happens over here at pi because the value of this is -1 comma 0. There it is right there. So therefore, I get this. Theta is equal to pi plus 2 pi n because I add on a period of 2 pi for the cosine function, right? But theta wasn't just theta. Theta was 2x. So I have 2x is equal to pi plus 2 pi n. I'm going to divide everything by 2, divide everything by 2, divide everything by 2. So x is equal to pi over 2 plus pi n. So I'm looking for two solutions here, right? My answer is, if n is equal to 0, then I get the solution of pi over 2 for this case, right? If n is equal to 0, I get pi over 2. But what if n is equal to 1? Then I would get pi over 2 plus 1 times pi. I'm going to go 2 pi over 2 to get a common denominator for a value of 3 pi over 2. So that is my other answer, 3 pi over 2. So the two solutions I was looking for were pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2.